So you're welcome to another edition of calculating your POS charges in your favorite Ubungo campus. Okay, Stella comes to work today and Stella wants to tabulate her deposit charges. We already have it in tabular forms. So it's normal. Stella has a serial number. Today's date is 13th of March 2026, and then Chifimo comes with 400,000 naira cash and wants to deposit to his mom in the village, in his mom's account in the village, and Stella charges 500 naira for this transaction. Okay, now we are using money point as our merchant today because Stella uses almost all the merchant, all the POS services. Now we have money point commission. It depends. So many companies, they charge differently. Some of them charge 20 naira, some charge 25, some charge 30. But that's I think that's the limit. There is nothing above or below this. Some are charging 20, some charges 25, some charges 30 for your deposit. So now how do we get this? No, please, it's important to note that deposit is still the same thing as transfer. Some machines have it as transfer, some machines have it as deposit, because I was discussing with someone that was telling me that transfer is different from deposit. Somebody is bringing cash to you to send to another person. You are depositing that money into that account. But you can actually transfer without depositing, because the person can do what we call a card transfer, but that will be a training for another day. Okay, now back to what we are discussing. We are still going to use our A, B, C, D. But because we don't want it to be confusing, we are going to put D here. Once you see D, you know it's for deposit. AD, that's A deposit, B deposit, C deposit, and D deposit. Okay, so now we are going to calculate Stella's income in this particular transaction, in this 400,000 naira transfer transaction that she charged 500 naira. This is a very simple calculation that most of you must know, but the most important, the essence of this class is so that you learn how to tabulate it, so that at the end of the day, when you are closing your account for the day, you won't be confused on how much came in or how much left the account. So we have AD. Our AD is equal to the amount, that is the deposit amount. So we call that deposit amount 400,000. Okay, so we have our BD will be Bliss POS charge will be 500. Okay, so we have, let's say, CD, which is the money points commission. If you're using OPay, that's OPay commission. The OPay commission now. Let's say they are charging you, find out what they are charging you. But we are going to use 25 naira because at least that's the average. Okay, so let's say they are charging you 25 naira. Remember our formula. We have our formula that to get D, this is DD, we now have B minus C. Okay, that's the same thing. We have 500 minus 25 naira. Okay, that means your income in this just one transaction is 475 naira only. Okay, so you just made transfer of 400,000 and you are paid 500,000. Your income for that is 475 naira. So you come here and tabulate 475 naira. Now, assuming another person comes the same day and make a deposit of 1,000 and you charges the person 100 naira. Another person comes and make deposit of let's say 280,000 and you charges the person 300 naira. You can actually now calculate your deposit for the day. Please run this and give us your deposit for today. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with the Obunga Local Campus. We'll be glad to bring to you how to calculate other charges in your POS machine. Have a wonderful time.